how to draw an arc with 3 basic methods. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. So let's start. The first way of drawing an arc is to draw it from the draw menu. Go to draw and go to arc. So different types of option is shown here. For example, 3 points are start, center, in, start, center, angle, etc. We will discuss these one by one. So the first we will see 3 points. So click 3 points, then go to the command line and read the message shown in the command carefully. In command line, it shows the message that specifies start point of the arc. So click the start point, then it will ask the message that specify the second point of the arc. Now select the second point. Suppose I am selecting this as my second point, and then it is asked about the third point because it is a 3-point arc. So it will first ask the first point, then second point, and then third point. So suppose I want to select it's my third point, so I will click here. Now the arc with 3 points has been drawn. So in this way you can draw a 3-point arc. I'm deleting this. Now coming toward the second method. The second method is from the left side toolbar. In the left side, as you see, this icon is for arc. So simply click this icon and the same message is demanding as earlier. So specify the first point, then specify the second point, and then specify the third point. So in this way you can draw arc with second method. Now the third one is from the shortcut. The shortcut for arc command is simple A. Just press A from keyboard and then press enter. So the same message is demanding for first, second, and third point. So in this way you can draw an arc with from draw menu and also from shortcut and from toolbar. Now we will discuss the different types of options shown in the draw menu of arc. The 3 points has been discussed. Now I will discuss some of the options from these because these are nearly same. So the second one is a start, center, end. We will first specify the start point, then specify the center point of the arc, and then we will specify the end point of the arc. So click here and read the message carefully. Specify start point. Suppose I am selecting this as my start point of the arc. Now specify the center. Suppose I am selecting this as my center of the arc. Now specify the end. So you can adjust your endpoint with scrolling your mouse. So for example, I want to select this is the endpoint of my arc. So I simply click here. As you see, the arc has been drawn. Now coming toward the third option. The third one is start, center, and angle. In this option, you will first select the start point of the arc, then center point, and then give the specific angle for the arc. Let's just try it. So first we select the start point. We select this as the center point, and now enter the angle. You can adjust the angle as you see by adjusting your mouse, like it's shown this 180, 170, etc. Or you can put it, for example, I want to draw 180 degree, so I will simply enter 180 from board and then press enter. As you see, the half circle is 180 degree, so 180 degree arc is drawn. Now delete it to clear the drawing. Moving toward the next option. The next one is from start, center, length. It is same as the above one. For example, in this you will first select the start point, then you will select the center point, and then you will give the specific angle to the arc. Yes. So check it. first start point, then center point, and then I will go put some, for example, I want to draw 10 feet arc, so I will enter 10 feet and then press enter. The length of this arc will be 10 feet. Discussing the start, end, and angle. In this option, you will first select the start point, then you will select the end point, and then you will enter the angle. Let's check it. Start point, then I will say it's my end point, and then as you see, you can adjust it with your mouse, or you can put the angle. For example, I want to put a 90 degree. I will press enter. So the angle of this arc is 90 degree. Now moving toward the next option. The next one is the start and direction. In this option, you will first select start, then you will end, and then you will direction. First start point, then end point, and then you can adjust your direction by scrolling your mouse like this. These are very easy way to. Now the next option is start and end radius. Specify the start point and specify the end point, and then press and then give the specific radius to the arc. For example, I give to 5 feet radius and then press enter. Now moving toward the next option, which is center, start, end. These options all are same because in one option it will first ask about start point and then center point and then end point. In the other option, it will first ask about center point, then end point, and then start point. So I think all these are nearly same. So in this option, it will ask about center, start, and end point. So let's check it. First is center point, then it will be my start point, and now it will be my end point. So you can adjust it with your need like this. Now checking the next option, which is center, starting, writing. These are same. Now move toward the continue option. In this continue option, the first point will be selected and the other point you can select it like this. So in this way you can draw an arc with different options with different methods. I hope you have learned this arc command. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you.